Hey guys, so it's the guy who wasn't going to start a channel, making more content. And who knows what'll happen with the channel. It's not my main occupation, I'll tell you that, nor will it be. But I figured I'd come and bring you to my proving ground. And believe me, I'm no expert. I'm still learning quite a lot. You know, I had a Capenord 1200 travel, and I took it here. That's just a quick view. A few years ago, and that suspension was so well sorted out, it was like riding nothing. It was so easy. That's such a good bike. So I took my V85 here, and you know, I would practice here. And then last year, you might not know, but I hit a tree with that bike on a trail, and busted up my foot, fractured all my toes, and sprained my foot and my ankle and everything else, and then got another injury. So this year has me a little squeamish. And that means I have to come back here and practice and get some of my courage back. So I wanted you to see what this place looks like, and I'm going to take some more video of it. Let me see if I could turn this around. It'll go like that. So this is, I gave you a quick look before, but this is where I am practicing. You can see this is a little bit of a rise here, and there's some of this stuff. Very rocky in places, as you can see. So this is not small rocks. Bigger rocks, ruts, a lot of ruts. So we're going to go down here, and I'm going to set up the camera and take you along with me for a little bit. And it's a hot day, by the way, and people talk about pinging and things like that. This used to ping a little bit more once I decatted it and put the exhaust on and changed the fuel. Not too much of that. I don't worry about that too much. It does smell funky when you stress the motor. That bothers me a little bit. Some of these niggling things, you know, put in the back of my mind getting an Aprilia Touareg 660. That's on the table. But gosh, I love the look of this bike and the character. And that's one of the things that I think is so endearing to everybody else and what endears it to me. So, by the way, I'll show you this. I don't know if I've ever done a review. This is an old windshield off of a Triumph Tiger 1050 that I put another windshield on, and I had that on a shelf. I drilled new holes in it, and it's perfect. And it looks cool, too, because of the black lines. Looks like it's angry. An angry hornet. So, okay, let's get to work. So what does this actually look like? So there are deep ruts, pretty deep ruts here. So this is what I was going over and going across, practicing going across ruts like this. I'm going to go over that, but not quite yet. Went through some of this stuff, and there's a big variation of soil density here. You know, some of this is pretty firm, and then you can see the deer tracks there, and some of it is not. In fact, some of it is sort of fluffy, a little bit over there, a little bit over here. So it varies. And then like this is sandy, you can see that, and then this gets gravelly all through there. This whole place turns into a mud basket at other times of the year. So let's see, let's go someplace else and we'll do something. I think I should go up this little rock pile that probably rises a foot off the ground, and then we have a berm here, and I should probably practice going up that. And we can see that this is really rutted, so some people have been driving their Jeep or whatever through here. There was a dirt bike that went through here. Looks like somebody nearly got stuck. So gives you an idea what this is like.